All right, now we'll start this volume worksheet which have been given by the teacher. Okay, we'll start with the reverse order. We'll take the last problem first because those are supposed to be the tougher than the first problem. Okay, question number 11. What has the greater volume, that box that measure 10, 6 by 4? Question number 11. So what we have to do, we have to find volume 1 and volume 2. What is the volume of volume 1? It will be like what? L1 multiply by V1 multiply by H1, right? What will be volume V2? It is L2 multiply by V2 multiply by H2. Okay. Now put the values. So what is the value of V1?
10
So 10 multiply by 6 multiply by 4. So what will be this? 10 into 10,
60 multiplied by 4, 240.
240
And then 6 into
centimeter cube.
yeah.
Okay.
And then 6
V2
into
is
6
equal
by
to
7.
that is 6 by
6 6 are 36.
6 into 7.
250. Wait.
6 6 are 36 multiply by 7, right?
Yeah.
7 6 are
7 6 are 42. And 210 plus 42, 252.
7 3 are
Huh?
7 3 are
21. 210 plus
7 3 are
7 3.
focus here. 6 7 are 42, 2 carry forward 4. 7 3 are
21. 21 plus 4, 28.
7 3 are
Oh, 25. 252. No, 252.
centimeter cube. So
Yeah.
which is more? V1 more, V2 more.
B2 is more.
So the volume V2 is more than volume V1.
Yes.
And let's do this problem one more time. 36 multiplied by 7, how much?
252.
Let's do it again. 7 6 are 42, carry forward 2, 4. No, 2, carry forward 4. 7 3 are 20 plus 4, 25. 252. Okay? Clear? Okay, problem number 12. Problem number 12, what it is saying? A rectangular triangle measuring 42, 22, okay, 42, 20 and 24. That is the bigger one. Okay. Filled with the water of height 7 centimeter. What is the volume? What is the volume of water needed to fill the tank very completely? Very easy problem. What you have to do? Take the volume of the bigger tank. Okay. Then take the volume of the water. Okay.
Then subtract.
And then subtract. Very easy problem. Okay. Let's say volume of the tank. What is the volume of tank? What will tell me?
42, 20, 24.
Equal to
42 by 20,
multiply by 20 multiply by
24.
24. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. 42 into 20, how much?
What?
42 into 20, how much?
42 into 24. 40 into 20 is equal to 800. And 2 into 20 is equal to 40. So 840.
840.
Yeah.
So that will become 840 multiplied by 24.
Yeah.
This cannot be solved with mental math, so you have to do it like the normal math.
Yeah.
So 840 multiplied by 24. Okay,
Yeah.
4 0 is 0. 4 4 ja
4 4 is 16.
carry forward.
1.
4 8 ja
32.
plus 1.
33.
Okay. 0 0 ja 0.
4 2s are 8.
8 2 ja 16. Wait, Molly, wait. 0 6
0,
6 8 plus 3.
8 plus 3, 11.
And then carry forward
11
1.
also 11.
Yeah.
Or 10.
Okay, carry forward 1.
Yeah, 2.
So 2. So it become what? That is 20160. That's the volume of the bigger tank. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what we have to do? We have to find the volume of the water which have been filled. So what we have to do for that?
7 into 42 by 20.
7 into 42 by 20.
We know 42 into 20 is 840. And
Okay.
so
Are
we
you
have
sure?
to, yeah, we didn't know here.
42, 8, okay. 820,
840.
840.
Yeah.
Multiply by 7.
7, yeah.
7 0
0 7 4 is 8, 2. And 8 7 are 56. 56 plus 2, 58.
That is 5880.
5880.
We'll do what? 5, 8 and 80 over here. 0 0 0. 16. 16 means 8 so 8.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे 0 बचा, right?
And, yeah. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. And 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And 14280.
I hope that's the answer. 14280.
Yes.
That is 14280 is the answer. So the very simple problem, guys. It's like looking very confusing but very easy. What you have to do? You have to find the volume of the outer tank. Then you have to find the volume of water filled. Then you have to subtract this from that. You will get the answer. Very easy problem. Okay. Yes, Mr. Maulik, how can we help you? Yes, yes, later, later,
पहले
later.
आप नीचे
हाँ हाँ,
जाओ।
बाद में ओके. Yeah.
पहले नीचे जाओ.
Okay, Maulik. Okay, these two cuboid have the same volume. Find the volume of X. Maulik, it's very easy.
This is very
Yeah,
easy.
okay.
We
So
have to
volume V1 is
multiply
equal to volume V2, right? What is the
I got
volume
the
V1 is
answer.
equal to 6 multiplied by 2
Four.
multiplied by 4.
Yeah.
It is equal to what? 4
6
multiplied by 4
24
into X.
48.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 6 to ja 12, 12 to ja 12 4 ja
Huh?
6 to ja
6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24.
रुको यहाँ देखो ना 6 to ja
6 2s are 12.
12 4 ja
48.
48 equal to यहाँ पे क्या होगा 4 4 ja
16.
that is X. What is the value of X? 48 by 16, that is equal to how much? 3.
3.
The value of X is what? 3
Yeah,
centimeter.
and another way to do is we multiply all of those. We know that both the area is volume is same. So we just know that this because 16 is here and 24 is here. So we multiply
So
16.
where is 24?
No, I'm saying that we got 6 4s are 24, 24 into 2 48. So we know volume of both of these is 48. And 4 4s are 16. And 48 comes in 16 multiplied
Yeah,
by
that was
3.
the easy problem. That's why I did this work. But if the numbers are complex, you have to do this way.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to write it and solve it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then don't do that way. Always solve it. Then because it's a thema problem, right? You have to solve it. Okay. So problem number 9. A cuboid 6, 3, and 3.
No thinking needed. This will.
Wait. 6, 3, 3, 3. Only can you get to 5 minutes?